Mugachipe kiama kia UDA Japheth Nyakundi oyoboigo ore omochumbe webunge ya kitutu chache North ime county ya Kisii abeire gawe sokya na kugikeria egekore yechiburabure kyabage kwenekiwa ase bunge ya South Mugirango amatuko abwango iga korengana na Nyakundi ni gabeire gakuru kuboria gochiase abarayi bechinsemo ibera bare omurayo mugavana we county ya Kisii naboigo omochumbo South Mugirango Silvana Osoro gotwara erio yerimo gati abarayi bande kurase orogongo rwa Gusii ase ogokeania liberera rya gisiasa gosokoreta obotoereru ase ensemo ya siasa Moriketonde mo Stephen na Manki
apana fujo mugane tense yewega ngoyo
Osoro
Magegayo kongusana nogo tindi nechiburaburu chinsemo cha South Mugirango wiki eye amatukabwango iga abarai aukorwa chinsemo chonsi cha kisiasa digo beso krina kogikero kongusana nokwo oyo bwango iga gosanga igoro yengane eyo karomo jumbe okitutu chache North oyo naendo romogachi UDA Japheth Nyakundi
ntumwa etenga county eto yatwalire liberera of late ninde liberere nandoche unatogendretega liberere lyabuchire igo inchenda yete ko sababa rai once mono murai umugabano ito Arati n'umwana uminto chief whip Silvano Osoro ebinte bigendrete mbiribia egento kya korekana bogirango moisonde gento keri nkerikia koranche tikatoba abatwereru tikatokorera abananchi egasi tutige kurwana naro yani Magusii ntwanya goitera manyinga moisonde narora amanyinga kagoite kabogirango
kibagosanga nabarikia mangana nigo baereire buno kongusana nokwo nkori kuya senge nigo komenta liberera rya kisiasa na gotebania magenderero.
As a leader in Kisii County, I want to say I condemn the issue that took place in South Mugirango. Silvano Osoro is my friend. I know him. He is a good man. He's a good leader. But please allow every person to exercise his right.
Okoboria bono na sabara y'abachore ba kisiasa goisaransa na gutwara okoigwana okwo korarento botwereru ime ya Kisii
korancha bagusiba minto abarayi baito bonsi pi gochakira omugabana omuseneta omu women rep abachumbe baito aba MCA baito koranche tigatotwara obotwereru tigatoikaranse tokwanamo tomanye emichando neriri gakikoranche because as a leader ebinte bikale korekana gusibono iga we are not headed in the right direction at all.
So I'll send you to the senator and the other stakeholders. We sit and engage the county government and also engage the national government for the benefit of Kitutu Chache North and the Kitutu as a whole. We are the leaders and there are no other leaders.
Inche tinda idikota yabanga nsaidi ego se saidi twensi pi chisaidi chionsi ibere balibare Kenya kwanza na balibare Azimio koranche. I think siasa njaera ntwakura mangana siasa tugachora omugabana tugachore president mono tugachore president tugachore governor senator women rep abarayi ababonsi koranche. I think yaikirengaki tobwende goikaranse mesa tukwane tumanye mechando ngayere tukorege nteke for once and for all.
Koripoteria Ndizi TV erietariane Ndemo Stephen.